Welcome to Maestro Sersea's American English, Culture, and Travel podcast. Created by a California educator with more than 35 years of English language teaching experience, a love for American culture and democracy, and a passion for American road trips. This podcast helps American English learners as well as prospective visitors and immigrants a window into American language, culture, and travel destinations. Each podcast episode is dedicated to sharing lessons and insights into learning American English, understanding American culture, values, and norms, as well as virtually traveling to key destinations throughout the United States of America as a whole. Whether you wish to learn or improve your American English comprehension and communication skills, develop an understanding of the United States of America and its way of life, or become familiar with top American destinations, our weekly podcast episodes of Maestro Sersea's American English, Culture, and Travel podcast will both educate, enlighten, and entertain you. In today's episode, we will cover the following two parts. 1. Speak America. Lesson 3. Shopping in America. Speaking the language of retail. 2. Discover America, the complete road trip and travel guide, Arizona. We hope you'll enjoy today's episode and invite you to subscribe to receive weekly episodes from us. Don't forget to also visit our official website, americanenglish.online, for numerous educational resources to help you on your learning journey. And now, are you ready to improve your knowledge and your skills? Let's begin. And now, here's Section 1. Speak America with the lesson titled Shopping in America. Lesson 3. 3. Shopping in America. Speaking the language of retail. Part 1. Dialogue. Dialogue. Customer. Hi, I'm looking for a gift for my sister. Any suggestions? Staff. Of course. What's your budget? Customer. I'm thinking around $30 to $50. Staff. We have some lovely scented candles and bath sets in that range. Customer. These candles look nice. Do they come with gift wrapping? Staff. They do. We can wrap them for free at the counter. Customer. Great. I'll take the lavender set. Can I pay by card? Staff. Absolutely. Tap, chip, or swipe, whatever works for you. Part 2. Mini Guidance Article. Mini Guidance Article. Shopping Culture in the USA. Shopping in America is a highly interactive experience. Store employees are trained to be helpful and approachable, and it is normal for a staff member to ask, "Can I help you find anything?" when you enter a store. Saying, "Just browsing, thanks," is a completely acceptable response if you prefer to look around on your own. American retail has its own vocabulary. On sale means the price is reduced. BOGO stands for buy one, get one, free or at a discount. Rain check means you can buy the sale item later if it's sold out today. Understanding these terms will help you spot deals and ask the right questions. Returns and exchanges are generally easy in the USA. Most stores offer a 30-day return policy with a receipt. Keep your receipts. If you're unsure, always ask, "What's your return policy?" before purchasing. Tipping is not expected at retail stores, but it is customary at service counters like nail salons, hair salons, and food stalls. When in doubt, 15 to 20% is a safe tipping range for services. Part 3. Examples and tips. 5 useful examples with tips. Example 1. Do you have this in a size medium? Tip. American clothing sizes differ from international ones. Always check the sizing chart or ask a staff member. Example 2. Is this item on sale? Or do you have any coupons for this? Tip. It's completely acceptable to ask about discounts. Many stores have apps or loyalty programs that unlock deals. Example 3. I'd like to return this. I have the receipt. Tip. Always say you have the receipt up front. It speeds up the return process significantly. Example 4. Can I get a price check on this? Set at the register. Tip. If a price seems wrong, you have the right to ask. Cashiers can call for a price check quickly. Example 5. Do you price match with other stores? Tip. Many large American retailers price match competitors. Ask this before buying to get the best deal. Okay, are you ready for some American travel information? Here's Section 2, Discover America, the complete road trip and travel guide, Arizona. Chapter 3, Arizona. The Grand Canyon State. Capital, Phoenix. Scenic Highway Highlight. Historic Route 66, from Kingman to Topeka through the Mojave Desert, and the Oak Creek Canyon Scenic Road, SR 89A, between Flagstaff and Sedona, offering red rock splendor. 1. Grand Canyon National Park. About this destination. One of the 7 natural wonders of the world, the Grand Canyon stretches 277 miles long, up to 18 miles wide, and over a mile deep. No photograph can fully prepare you for it. Insider tips and strategies. Tip 1. Arrive at sunrise or sunset. The canyon's colors transform dramatically with the angle of light. Arrive at the South Rim viewpoints at least 30 minutes before sunrise, or stay through sunset for truly unforgettable photographs and moments. Tip 2. Stay hydrated and know your limits. Hiking into the canyon means hiking uphill on the return in blazing heat. Carry at least 1 liter of water per hour, eat salty snacks, and never underestimate the canyon's difficulty. Tip 3. Reserve a rim shuttle and Mather campground early. Parking inside the park is extremely limited. Use the free rim shuttle buses once inside, and reserve campsites or lodges months in advance as they sell out constantly. 2. Sedona. About this destination. Surrounded by otherworldly red rock formations and clear desert skies, Sedona is a haven for hikers, artists, spa-goers, and those seeking a unique southwestern experience. Insider tips and strategies. Tip 1. Hike Cathedral Rock at golden hour. This iconic 1.2-mile round-trip hike ends at a viewpoint surrounded by soaring red sandstone spires. The colors at golden hour, the hour before sunset, are nothing short of magical. Tip 2. Take a pink Jeep tour. For non-hikers, or those who want extra adventure, Sedona's famous pink Jeep tours navigate rugged off-road terrain through the red rocks. Tours run daily and are hugely popular. Book ahead. Tip 3. Escape uptown for Tlaquepaque Arts Village. The charming Spanish colonial-style shopping village is far more pleasant than uptown's tourist strip. Browse local art galleries, jewelry, and crafts while enjoying shaded courtyards and fountains. 3. Scottsdale. About this destination. A sophisticated desert city known for luxury resorts, world-class golf, acclaimed restaurants, and a thriving art scene. Old Town Scottsdale blends Western heritage with contemporary style. Insider tips and strategies. Tip 1. Explore the Arts District on a Thursday evening. Scottsdale's Art Walk, every Thursday evening, October, May, opens dozens of galleries free to the public. It's lively, social, and a wonderful way to experience local culture. Tip 2. Visit the Desert Botanical Garden. This stunning 140-acre garden showcases thousands of desert plants from the Sonoran Desert and beyond. Visit at dawn for cool temperatures and exquisite photography light. Tip 3. Day trip to Taliesin West. Frank Lloyd Wright's desert masterpiece is just 30 minutes away and offers guided tours. Architecture enthusiasts will find it one of the most inspiring buildings in America. Thank you for listening to this episode of Maestro Sersea's American English, Culture, and Travel Podcast. Whether you wish to learn or improve your American English comprehension and communication skills, develop an understanding of the United States of America and its way of life, or become familiar with top American destinations, our weekly podcast episodes of Maestro Sersea's American English, Culture, and Travel Podcast will educate, enlighten, and entertain you. We encourage you to visit our AmericanEnglish.online website via our link in the description section below for additional articles, lessons, and weekly podcasts we offer, all available on our website and major streaming platforms. Thank you for joining us today, and don't forget to subscribe to receive the latest episodes on a regular basis. Thank you, and have a wonderful week ahead.